What is going on from Squance Pond, Connecticut? This was a last second decision. A couple guys were going to go out and fish Kendallwood, but the problem was there's a 64 boat tournament, so we chose against it. Some guys bailed and went somewhere else, but a couple of us are going here to Squance Pond. See how the day goes. Stay tuned. I'm on. There we go. That's a freaking tiny one. You see that thing rocket? Yeah, little baby. Yeah, for sure. A little smallie. Came out like a rocket. Thank you. What's that? Yeah. I fished with Day. I had to edit a lot.
There's a big difference of fishing with Day and fishing with me.
I don't know how I got this knot, but I have to fix it. Oh, there's some more. They're not very big.
But don't worry, I won't be like the rest of the Dominicans, fucking blasting it all loud and ridiculous.
Pump, pump, pump it up.
Oh no, bro, when I go to Welch and they fucking flood the beaches over there,
Yep.
I want to call.
I'm gonna go over there. I've never been over there. I'm gonna try that drop off. I caught a couple right here, but nothing big. Oh, there's somebody over in that corner, so I'm gonna just kind of come to the north a little bit. You do anything? It is so nice out when it's calm in the mornings. Right now I'm headed to a flat. It's kind of deep, but I've never been over here, so this is worth a look. This is a new area. New area. Looks pretty good. I don't know if it's going to produce anything, but definitely looks good. Yeah.
I'm not seeing a thermocline here. Is there a thermocline or no?
I don't see anything. I haven't. Which is kind of cool, but crazy.
How deep are you right there?
It's 40 feet. 37.
Super fucking steep drop off here.
Yeah. Oh man, there's some big fish hiding in the rocks right here. Bad net job. There we go. Another fish. Another fish. Not big ones, but still fun to catch. Still fun to catch.
Over by where that creek is?
Yeah.
Which way is the bait blow?
Straight out.
About how far?
50 feet from you probably.
Right around there?
I didn't even see where you threw out. Let me just see where you're dropping. There we go. He's chasing. Oh, rocket ship. There we go. That was a rocket ship. There we go. That's a good one. I got a good one on. Oh, God, that was a huge one.
That's a nice one.
That was a good one. That was a good one.
How far out?
They're right here, right out in front of me. There's a whole school that size. I'm on. He just hooked in the right place, so he's got all the freedom he wants to swim. He's hooked in the right place, so he's got the freedom to swim where he wants. Boy, he was fighting like he was 5 pounds. There's another big one straight out at 40 feet. Bigger than this one for sure. Another fish. Not measuring this one. Got a mess on this to deal with. Alright, that is a wrap from Spelunsk Pond. Slow day. I lost a good one. Caught some smaller fish. Nothing great. It was just a fun day of fishing. A couple guys from the Core Rockland crew met up here and put some fish over the board today, so it was good. It was good. Fish are finicky, but it's getting better. Definitely getting better. So again, thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button.